How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm blessed. Yeah.
I missed you. How are you, Dada?
I'm doing good. I missed you too. Maria, carry for me this.
Yes.
Yes.
How are you?
Yes, come on. Yeah.
Asante Jehova. Kwa salama mama.
Kabisa.
Oh.
Salama kabisa.
Haya mama.
Asante.
How are you?
I'm doing fine, Maja. Yeah, that is quite delayed on the way because
What's up, guys? Welcome back. And I think the Christmas was good, guys. And for me, it was good. I really appreciate the Almighty seeing me through the Christmas season, guys. And I'm really happy. So we are approaching the end of this year, guys. And I really want to appreciate you so much for you guys who are there for me, who have supported me in different ways. I really want to say thank you so much, and may God bless you abundantly, and may your days keep on adding and to more success, guys. So guys, if you're new here, if you don't know me, this is Maj_KE from a village known as Nyabuhanse, guys. They call me the village Buga. So it has been 2 days I haven't posted because of the festive season, but we are here, guys. We are here to bring you more things in the new year, guys. So I really appreciate you guys who are here. Tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to Maj_KE. Always positive vibes and success, guys. So 2025, we are coming back in a good style and in a way that we want to educate and help the people who are like, in any way, guys, you know me, I really love helping, because even if I don't get my own help, I know God knows God's time is the best. So we're here, guys. This is my home. If you're new, this is my home. And yes, of course, you guys who are here, and if you're not new here, you know my home and you know where I come from. So I want to say Happy New Year to you guys, which is approaching very soon, maybe tomorrow, not even maybe. It's tomorrow, and the other day will be on a new year, guys. And I want to give you more of good content. Yeah, I don't know what to think about me moving out of the village for a few, maybe to move out of the village, maybe to go somewhere else and give you more content on the other side. So I'm planning, and it will be coming soon. Yeah, as soon as January, we are going to travel, guys. And also I have very good how can I put this? I have a very good surprise for you, of course, and that is very big, guys. So keep on watching that you see what I got for you. And it will be coming on the January, maybe early January, before 10th of 2025. I will be giving you a very good content and also message to you guys, so that you know, sometimes being alone, doing content alone, and also like you don't have, you know, we really go through a lot doing content creation here in the village. You have to go and do content. You have to go maybe somewhere to come upload yourself and do some things, and you know, blah blah blah. You need some fare, you need some maybe money to move from one point to another point. But right now, guys, I believe this is going to change, and it's going to change in a big way, because I'm going like to change everything. Yeah, so keep on tuned, watching my videos till the end. Don't skip the ads, guys. Yeah, you know I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I'm always positive, and I will always be positive no matter what, guys. So keep on tuned. So guys, coming live from our village, and this is where we live. swampy area. Yeah, very swampy area, but very much productive, very much productive, because we not we village grandpa and village grandma plant some yams. I think they are yams, and they are growing very good, especially yams and rice. This is the best place to plant. I think, guys, you can tell me down the comment section if the swampy area like this, what can you plant apart from rice? Because I know of rice is more of growing here in the swampy area, rice and yams, because they need a lot of water. Even the other side, guys, I showed you last time. Yeah, I don't want to repeat going there. I showed you the last time that the yams have really grown big. So that means swampy area needs, maybe you plant rice and maybe the yams, but maize no. And you know, let me show you something, guys. This is a very swampy area, and we have also this area which is not that swampy. They planted here wheat. Yeah, wheat here, and it did very well. You see how wheat looks like. It grows so big, so tall. So this small portion of land, village grandma decided to plant some wheat, and they did very well. Here, and you can see, guys, they did very well. This land is kinda, this place, guys, this is like a floating island kind of something, because here it's very dry. See how this place looks like. Very much dry. But if you go near here again, from I think this place to the other end, you can see a lot of water. See, the yams are growing very good. I think they are the youngest that village grandma and village grandpa planted, and we have some rice coming out. By the reason why everything that is planted here, the rice seem to come out, is because I don't know if the rice is over here, because everything that is planted here, rice must come up. You see we have planted yams, and the rice was not here, but now the rice is coming up inside the yams. You see, they are there, guys. I don't know if you can see them clearly, but I think you can see the greenish things over there. They are not grass like this. There's a very big difference. I wish I could go there. I don't have my gumboots today, but I will show you guys. So the rice also is coming out. So yeah, yes, guys, so you can see the difference from this place to that place. A very big one. Here is very dry. See where I'm walking, very much dry. Also here, compare it to a place like where, like here. Let me show you guys. Just come in. Wow, see that bird over there? Yeah, you know the birds, we have so many. Yeah, see another one here in the bush. Yeah, we have a lot of birds here. Wow. Yeah, sorry for that. So we have so many birds here because of the rice that is planted there. You know, also the birds love so much rice. They love rice, wheat, something like wheat. If you plant wheat, rice, and also, what do you call them? Maize. Yeah, you'll really have a lot of birds. So we always experience a lot of birds here in our compound, in our behind our compound, and also here in front of our compound, because of rice, and behind because of maize, and yeah, whatever. So I was telling you also, this kind of floating island, I don't know, guys, if I'm lying to you, but I'm not. But you can see this place is so dry. But if you move here, if you move from there to this place, again we have a swampy area over here. Yeah, which has a lot of water. So we have a small portion here which doesn't have like a lot of water, you know. So I think it's because this place is kind of hilly, like hilly. So the other places are slopey, so we don't have here even this grass that you see here. From here they are very different with this grass here. Yeah, very much different. See guys, let me just show you an example. You can see this grass. This is a normal grass, very normal, very much normal, and compare it to this and this swamp. Yeah, compared to this, yeah, you can see it's very different, and it's only a few, like 1, 2, and 3 we are here to this normal grass, you see. So guys, this is our village and this is how we live. So guys, I really want to say thank you so much and happy new year 2025. Peace and love, and we're going to give you all the best. We are going to come up with something very special for you guys, and something which I think you guys who are following me, that you guys will love. And please tell a friend to subscribe to my channel so that we can grow together and give you the best content. Yeah, and yes, I think this time round I want to change the content from our village to other places. And I've been at home for a very long time. I think right now, since I was in Nairobi like 6 months ago. So I've been staying here at home. I've been at home giving content from home 6 months ago. Not traveling, just at home, doing content from at home. But promising you 2025 will be great. Don't miss the videos, because the videos will be so great, and to the world and everywhere, guys. Yeah, so wow, I love the village so much. Yes, so despite I will travel, but I'll always come back home, yeah, to show you also the progress at home. And I believe the progress will be so good, and you guys will really like it. And you're always welcome here at home. Whenever you feel like coming, visiting, you are really welcome. So also we had a visitor here, yeah, who is starting a YouTube channel. As you know, guys, I always support where I can. You know, it's not a must that you support and then you get the support back. It's not a must. For me, I always say I always support, and God knows. Yeah, and God's time is the best. God's time is the best. Where you can support. So I really believe in supporting, and I don't know why I always do that, but I believe it's maybe my calling. You know, you can also get your calling. Maybe God has said he wants you to be a prophet, be a pastor. So maybe it can be my calling, or God has said you help some people. So I'm really appreciative, and I'm really happy doing this. I'm so much happy. So we had a guest here, yeah, from yesterday or the other day. Yes, visited me here at home. So he's here. Kuja hivi ndio kuna light. Yes, how are you?
I'm good. Yes.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, guys. I go by the name Frank, but I have a YouTube channel. My YouTube channel goes by the name M_right. Yes, you can just keep on subscribing.
Spell it.
M_right.
Spell. M_RIGHT. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm new in this, and this is my first video. So ensure that you subscribe and keep on liking, and don't shy commenting. so that I can keep on being motivated and keep on uploading more videos. Yes guys, that was my time.
Yeah. So guys, kindly support him. This is I think the first video I'm featuring you. This is my video.
Yes.
I'm featuring him on my video. He came here and her aunt called me. He wanted me to help him to open a YouTube channel, and yeah, but also I advised him okay, it's hard, and if you don't want it to be hard, I don't know what you can do for it not to be hard, but YouTube is very hard. So I told him all that. And what did you learn from what I told you?
Yes, I learned it's hard, but it's advised not to give up, because we keep on pushing and pushing. I know those guys watching this video out there will support and be of great help to us. Yes.
Yeah. So, and also, what motivated you to be maybe a YouTuber, or rather to come to Nyabohanse to open a YouTube channel and be a YouTuber? Who motivated you, and what motivated you to be a YouTuber?
So speaking in real sense, you are my motivator. Yes, I follow you, I watch your videos, and I keep knowing what you post, and so I said, let me come and just say hi, so that you can even teach me on how YouTube works. And so you came forward and created me an account, and I say thank you, bro, for that. And what motivated me most is how I saw it better to open this channel, so that I can teach those people out there how we live in the village. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. So I think, where do you come from?
I come from
Kisii County.
Yes.
Yeah, I've been in Kisii, guys. You guys know I've been in Kisii in campus, and I have been studying there. Yeah, fashion and design, of course. Yeah, and light. Yeah, fashion and design. Yeah, come this way because of light, guys. Sorry, because of light. Thank you, I am Voke for helping me with the camera. So I've been in Kisii for 5 years, I can say 5 years, studying fashion and design. And I know Kisii very well. I have been Mr. Campus. I have done all those things. So I have the certificates, degree, of course, and but no work. So this is the work that I'm doing.
Yeah.
That is, I'm telling you, not even my people. My people know. That is what I'm telling you. I have a degree in fashion and design, but I decided there's no work, so let me venture in to YouTube. And trust me, YouTube has not disappointed me, because I have given myself, I have given it all to YouTube, my time. Like I've said, now this is my office, this is my office that I want to work on, and it has not disappointed me, but at some point it can. But it has not disappointed me to a point now I wish I could not do this, So I have done a lot from YouTube. I have grown. People have known me from YouTube.
Yes.
And that is a point that even I can tell you, even there's a point when we were going to Nairobi, and we never knew, because we started here YouTube.
Yeah.
We were going to Nairobi. We never knew that people watch us from Nairobi. But when we reached at Nairobi, people were like, oh, Maja Nasto. So I was like, you can do it from here, and people watch you from there. There's a point where we went also to Uganda and Tebe. We got some people who were like, oh, that is Maja Nasto, So YouTube can blow you to the world, but you don't know. Yeah. People will know you in the world, but you don't know. So the moment that you step in a place and people are like this is Maya, or this is someone else, this is this and this, you will realize I'm doing something that people watch all over the world. And for me, what I can advise you, all I can advise you from YouTube, be positive. Always be positive. Always be positive, and do your own work. Do a good work. Show good content, and yeah, and work hard. Always upload videos every single day. For me, I think I can miss 2 days, 3 days, but for some reasons. But I can advise for someone who is starting, because you don't even have a video.
Yeah.
For someone who is starting, you really have to get like every day making videos. Every day you make a video, even if it's for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Every day, make sure you post a video.
Yeah.
And yeah, that is all I think I can tell you here. And I think the everything I've told you about uploading, I think right now you know about uploading. You know how to upload.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think that is all I can tell you for now. Yeah. So guys, it's I'm privileged to have people who are watching me who trust me to send even their kids or siblings to Maj_KE to support them in a positive way. Of course, I believe someone who sent him here is a positive person. Yeah, and he trusted me, and he's here. By the way, how has been your stay here in these 3 days or 2?
3.
3 days. How has been your stay?
It's such a nice place. The people here are very social, and the amenities are in. There are so many amenities here, and I enjoy staying here. It's such a nice place. Yes.
But a small village.
Yes, a small village, but a nice place with such people who are warm-hearted and welcoming.
Yeah.
Always welcoming.
Yeah, of
Yes,
course, of
yes.
course. And what have you learned since you came?
I've learned that life is sometimes hard, but you must keep on pushing. For one day, you never know what can happen. Yes,
Yeah, you never know tomorrow.
yes,
Yeah, tomorrow maybe you will be a big person, but you are looking down on someone else, and tomorrow he will be bigger even more than you.
yes.
So he will be also supporting you. So my advice is, okay, you came to me personally.
Personally,
I really advocate for peace, positive vibes, love, and help. If you want to help, yeah,
where you can.
where you can help. So that is my spirit, or yeah, like I really love to help, and I really want to tell you, if you follow what I told you, you'll be, someday you'll come and tell me, hey Maja, you told me something that has made me like has put me even in a place that I don't believe right now.
Yes.
You know, so I want to encourage you that YouTube is very good. YouTube has moved me from a point that I can even help my parents in some things that they used to do. I can help them, you know, like paying some bills, some other bills, not all, but some other bills, and helping a lot here in the family. So I can encourage you that YouTube is very good. YouTube has changed lives of people in this village.
Yes, I'm also looking forward
Yeah,
to be changed by this YouTube.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. But if only you are determined and you want to
Hard
do
work.
it, and don't do it because Maj is doing it. Don't do it because Nast is doing it. Don't do it because Maro is doing it. Do it from your heart. Like I
With
want
passion.
to do it. Yeah, love it. Love it. Like love what you do.
Yes.
Yeah. In everything that you do, they say love what you do. You get me?
Yes.
Love what you do in anything that you do. So love, if you want to join YouTube, you have already joined,
Yeah.
but love it. Don't do it because you are here, you saw some people who are
Don't do it because of someone.
yeah, of someone. Do it because of yourself. Like, I want to do this video because this person did this video and it blew up. No, do it because of you. Talk about yourself. Talk about your family. Talk about, like, for me, I really believe even the people who are watching me, even if they come here, they know where my home is. They know where village grandpa residence is. I don't hide anything. I don't hide anything at all. A lot of people come here and they stop over there at the stage and they ask, where is Maja's home? They are shown like this. They say, oh, it's there. I know. I've been watching there. You know, they know everything in my parents' house, everything in everything. So YouTube is not like hiding or cheating people. Be yourself. Yeah. If you don't have anything, you don't have. Yes. Say you don't have. If you have it, you have it. You know. Yeah. So what I can advise you when you do it, like be yourself. Don't lie about your life and everything. You are who you are. At a way, like, and he changed, but he has 2 subscribers, and guys, kindly support him, and he's on the road to success, and I hope you'll be positive and help other people when you come here. You know, me, I always say, where I touch I leave a mark. Yeah, where I touch I leave a mark. So I hope when you go back there, anyone who sees you there and you want your help.
Yeah, just help.
Yeah, just help, and don't care about the like he will come back to also give a hand. No, you just help. Yo, sorry guys, let it be peace, love and positive vibes until our next video, guys. I love you. Positive vibes all the way, and support also Kevo.
Yeah, guys, and your cameraman, I am Voke, I'm here. I'm a Rasta man.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, guys.
Okay.
Yeah. How are you, Maja?
I'm fine.
Okay. So, guys, Happy New Year as we are loading to the new year, guys.
Tomorrow.
Peace and love, always positive vibe.
Until our next video, guys. And don't forget, guys, Voke has a land and it has a house that he's selling. You guys, it's still on the sale.
On sale, yeah.
So guys, if you are interested, you can reach me out. If you reach me out, you are already on Kevo Voke.
I am Voke, guys.
Yeah. So thank you so much. Until our next video.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm blessed. Yeah.
I missed you. How are you, Dada?
I'm doing good. I missed you too. Maria, carry for me this.
Yes.
Yes.
How are you?
Yes, come on. Yeah.
Asante Jehova. Kwa salama mama.
Kabisa.
Oh.
Salama kabisa.
Haya mama.
Asante.
How are you?
I'm doing fine, Maja. Yeah, journey ilikuwa delayed on the way because I don't know, there was traffic somewhere there. Yeah, but we reached home safely. Yeah, we are happy, but it's been a long journey.
Yeah, I know you're used to
Flying.
Oh, yeah. But anyway,
45
guys.
minutes I'm here, but it's good, because God has given me the strength. I didn't know, by the way, that I'll be able to like manage the long journey.
I know now you're healed. You know, I'm so happy because
I've even forgotten.
yeah.
Talking about that.
Wow.
Yeah,
That is my sister. Yes.
Okay, Mama.
Yeah. So
I've
guys.
even forgotten about that. You just mentioned on Kakumka.
Oh, wow.
I forgot.
So guys, I'm really happy she's back at home. I've been waiting for her for so long, but now she's back again.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy. You're going to do a lot of things, guys, with her, of course. Yeah, including videos and everything.
Behind the scenes also.
Yeah, behind the scenes also. Yeah. And what else I wanted to tell you? I really missed you.
I missed you too, Mother. You told me you'll come for my last chemo session, but you were held up.
Yeah, I was held up. I didn't have enough like whatever to go.
Yeah,
But
it's okay.
yeah,
But, you
but
kept
anyway,
calling, that is all that
Yeah.
matters.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So guys, she's back at home. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
And
And I'm at a better state right now.
yeah,
I really thank God. I really thank God. I can do a lot of things. I can do chores. Yeah, so I'm really grateful. I'm independent. I can cook for myself. I can cook for people. Yeah. So I'm really grateful. You know, there are things that you really take for granted when you're well.
Yeah.
But when I became sick and I could not do some things on my own, that's when I realized having health is wealth.
yeah,
Is wealth in itself. So right now I can cook, I can do what. Those times I would feel hungry and I would want something. I would tell my husband, I feel like eating this and this. Yeah.
yeah,
But
guys.
right now,
I'm so
I do
happy.
it on my own.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, I'm really
And I'm
happy
not
and
passing there,
humbled.
me, I want to pass here.
You want to pass here? Oh, I know why. I know why. I know why she wants to pass here. Yeah.
Oh,
Maria.
hey, Mama.
Hmm?
Thank
You're
you
saying?
for having me. She's saying,
Hmm.
thank you for coming.
Wow.
Telling her, thank you
He's
for
an
having me.
English man, English lady.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Maria has really grown.
Yeah, so much. Especially her English
Yeah,
has really
her English
improved,
has
so much. Yes.
Also, body-wise, she has grown taller.
Mm.
And she's looking very beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm playing.
So welcome to our new home. Yeah.
You see even now,
Huh.
the light reflecting here, the way it looks very bright.
Yeah, from here, yes.
Really good. Edna, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Yeah.
And I really like your drip. Hey,
Oh, thank you.
Guys.
Thank you.
think these are mine. You brought this for me.
No, it's funny. Better yours in the bag.
Wow. Hey.
I brought you. They are called sambas.
Thank you for
Sambals.
buying my
Oh, wow.
clothes
I
and
think
my
that will be.
Yes, Maria. Also, I brought for Maria. I sent them earlier. I didn't want to carry luggages,
Yeah.
so
Thank
I
you for,
sent.
thank you for buying my shoes
Yes.
and my clothes.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
this one
sis.
is like my daughter
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah. She's your daughter, not even like.
She's my daughter.
Yes, not even like.
Yeah. Hey, this one. But I wish the parents would officially hand her over to me.
Yeah, you're really looking good.
Yeah, thank
So,
you.
guys, I think.
Oh, the hair
she's
is
home.
also coming up. That one will show people
Yeah,
tomorrow.
maybe
It's
tomorrow,
growing
yes.
a bit. Yeah, but I'm still wearing. I'm not a wigs girl. I'm not a. Yeah, I tried, but it didn't work. So Marvin's work for me. Yeah.
But you look great. By the way, I like your drip.
Thank
Huh?
you. Thank you.
I like your drip.
I am.
Yeah. So guys, that is my sister, my elder sister, Pascalia, my twin sister actually.
Yes.
Yeah, I love her so much, and God has blessed her, and when she's blessed, I know I'm blessed too.
Yeah.
So I want to say, God, thank you so much for
Yeah.
keeping my sister and always being there for.
And you added a little
Twice.
bit of weight. You're eating well, huh? That's good. I'm happy.
Yeah. So guys, let it be peace, positive vibes
But all
always.
the way.
From tomorrow, maybe when she will not be tired, we will be doing a lot of videos with her.
Yeah, and even in the background, some things you'll not be able to see,
Yeah,
but you'll see as
the light.
you'll see the results.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because sometimes there are things that are a bit personal. Yeah, so those ones, chini ya maji.
Chini ya maji yo. So I know you're tired.
Yeah,
Just go
very,
take your
very
shower, and we'll meet tomorrow in the morning.
Yeah.
I love you so much.
I love you too, bro. Bye. Cheers,
Bye.
guys. Subscribe, share, like.
Yeah. Happy New 2025.
Yes, 2025 is a good year for his family. It's
Yeah.
gonna be late.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.